bwoko bw'Imana.
God's people.
Imana iri kure kubera ibyaha.
God is so far because of sins.
Imana yabaye inyantege nke kubera ibyo twakoze.
God has been weak because of what we done.
Imana yabaye inyantege nke kubera ibyo twagendeyemo.
God has been weak because of what we passed through.
Iduhaye ukwezi ko kongera kubana natwe.
He's giving us the mouth to still be with
Imana
us.
twarayirukanye.
We made God to be, we chased God.
Imana twayigize Sunday.
We made God Sunday.
Erega hari abantu Imana bayigize Dimanche.
There are some people God made Sunday
Basenga Dimanche gusa.
that only pray Sundays.
Ikindi gihe barayitaye.
And then after all the time they left God.
Umukobwa aza yambaye ijipo mu rushengero kwa Dimanche.
The girl come out wearing a skirt on Sunday.
Hanze aba yambaye ibutura cyanye impuzu zigaragaza ibihimba by'irondoka by'umubiri agenda kinze gusumba umupagani.
And then God, after those days, he just got out putting it naked, showing his parts and private parts just like a pagan.
Imana twayigize nyandwi.
We made our God for a week.
Ariko Imana tuvuga
But the God we're talking about
ni ya Dimanche.
is the God of
Ni
Sunday,
ya rendi.
the God of Monday,
Uherere ndi gushika Dimanche.
from Monday to Sunday.
Ndagusaba ikintu kimwe.
So let me ask you something.
Imana yawe yigiriye misi yose.
Make your God a God of every day.
Urakeneye ko Imana izana amahoro mu rugo rwawe.
You want God to bring your peace in your
Urakeneye
family.
ko Imana irestora ubuzima
You
bwawe.
want God to restore your life.
Urakeneye ko Imana yongera kugira ubusabane nawe.
You want God to have a relationship with you.
Urakeneye ko Imana yongera kuvugana nawe ukumva ijwi ryayo.
You want God to talk again with you and hear his
Urakeneye
voice.
ko Imana yongera kugira ubusabane nawe.
You want God to have a relationship with you again.
Urakeneye ko Imana yongera kuvuga n'ijwi ryayo ukongera kuryumva ikongorera.
Want God to talk again and you hear his voice talking for you.
Shuka down.
Just calm down.
Saba Imana imbabazi.
Ask for God forgiveness.
Imana iriteguye.
And God is ready.